Flaxseed Gel for hair growth? Well, let's see. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pina and I'm so happy to have you back. I've been watching a lot of videos about how to grow longer natural hair with Flaxseed Gel. I've been reading a lot about this natural ingredient and I really like what it promises for my hair. It seems to be very beneficial, and some of you asked me to do the 30 days challenge using this ingredient, and I like the idea so much. So in this video, we're gonna be testing Flaxseed Gel for 30 days to see if it can grow my hair faster and longer. Let's get started. First, we need to prepare a Flaxseed Gel that will apply every day for a month. We want it to penetrate the scalp quickly, so we don't want it too thick or too watery. After 3 attempts, I achieved the desired consistency. To make it, you should heat 2 cups of water until it's about to boil. Then add 2.5 tablespoons of flax seeds. Boil for 2 minutes on high heat, then reduce to medium heat for an additional 5 minutes. After that, strain it right away. Don't let it cool before doing it because it can be challenging to do so once it cools down. You might find it quite watery, but remember that it thickens as it cools down. In my first attempt, I used my usual recipe and it was perfect for defining course, but not suitable for this challenge because it feels like trying to apply a gelatin to your scalp every day. It's not gonna be easy for your scalp to absorb. This is the perfect consistency for this challenge, which is a lightweight and easy to apply, and also it's gonna be easy to be absorbed by your scalp. This amount will be enough for 3 days. So every 3 days, I'm gonna be making my fresh Flaxseed Gel, and it can last up to 5 days in the refrigerator, no more than that. Now, let's move on to the daily routine. For every grow challenge, we need to start with clean hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair, but it's gonna be a special wash. First, I'm gonna apply apple cider vinegar for its pH balancing properties, cleansing abilities. It combats dandruff and itching, and it detoxifies the hair by removing product buildup. Also, I'm gonna exfoliate my scalp using sugar to get rid of buildup, dead cells, and any residues that might be obstructing the follicles. And I'll clean everything with shampoo. Now my hair is clean, my follicles are oxygenated and ready for the challenge. As in every challenge, I'm gonna put my hair in a protective style. I don't think Flaxseed Gel will dry out my hair. Supposedly, it is hydrating, but applying it in twists every day will avoid tangles and saves time on wash days. Okay, now we're ready to measure the hair to know the length we're starting with and be able to compare it 30 days later. For that, I'm gonna clean the ends of the strand I'm gonna measure so we can have a clear number. Okay, fine. And let's go. Let's measure the hair. As you can see, the strand that we're gonna be using for this challenge is 42, 43, 44, and 45 centimeters. We'll also keep a record of today's date to know exactly when we are started. And as you can see, today's date is September 22, 2023. Guys, we're ready, so let's go with the application. The first application is a bit chaotic because I'm not sure about the right amount to apply. It feels like shampoo, which makes me doubt a lot whether I rinsed my hair shampoo completely. The ideal time to apply the gel is in the morning to let the gel dry naturally during the day. This is more comfortable than applying it at night and having to dry it afterwards with a blower. Remember that letting your hair wet isn't very pleasant and it's not good for your hair. This challenge will last, as I said before, this challenge will last 30 days. We're going to be applying the gel every single day. If you skip a day or two, it's not a problem because you can recover those days. After every application, I'm gonna massage my scalp for about 1 minute to improve blood circulation to the hair follicles. Better blood flow means that more nutrients and oxygen are delivered to the hair follicles, promoting healthier hair growth. And I'll put a shower cap to improve the absorption of the treatment into the scalp. I wanted to wash my hair as usual every week. The Flaxseed Gel is 100% natural, so it doesn't need to be rinsed after each application like every day, but that was not possible. I'm gonna show you in a minute why. Instead, I have to wash my hair every 2 to 3 days. It was not funny at all, especially because on growth challenges, I don't like to manipulate my hair that much. But I think it was possible in this case because the gel, it's absorbed better by the scalp when the follicles are totally clean. This is the first day when you apply the Flaxseed Gel. The hair is perfect, scalp perfect. This is the second day. White flecks and buildup start to show up. And this is the third day without washing the hair, applying the gel every day. A lot of buildup, the follicles are saturated, so it needs to be washed in order for the gel to be absorbed by the scalp. So this is why it was impossible to wash my hair only once a week. Let's go with the results. It's been 30 applications now. The challenge began on September 22 and it was initially scheduled to end on October 22. However, it was extended to October 27 due to 4 mixed days. I didn't apply the gel those days, so I had to recover. Remember that starting hair length was 45 centimeters. And to validate the effectiveness of Flaxseed Gel, the hair should have grown more than 0.6 centimeters, which is the average monthly growth rate for my hair. Okay, we're ready. Let's measure the hair. So as you can see, we have 43, 44, 45, 46, oh wow, and 47 centimeters. Wait a minute, let's do it again. On the left side of the screen, you have the before, and on the right, the after results. So let's do it again. 45, 46, and 47 centimeters. We definitely have a winner here. We started with 45, we ended with 47, 2 centimeters growth in a single month. Let's go ahead and do the math. Considering that my hair typically grows at a rate of 0.6 per month, this means that my hair has grown 3.3 times faster due to the Flaxseed Gel. This is incredible. This absolutely confirms the effectiveness of Flaxseed Gel for hair growth. I'm so pleased with the results. However, it's important to note that success is achieved through a combination of the ingredient, discipline, and consistency. These results motivate me a lot to continue with the hair growth challenges and maintain Flaxseed Gel in my hair care routine. Definitely that's gonna happen. It is easy to get and it's very easy to prepare. And well guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope you like it. I've enjoyed this challenge a lot. Of course, it was a challenge. It was not easy. But I'm really pleased with the results. I really recommend you to try this ingredient because it has a lot to offer to your hair. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Share with your friends, comment down below any question you have about this ingredient, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications so you can get notified whenever I post a new video for massive hair growth. Love you all guys, and see you in my next one. Bye!